Today I'm going to show you how to make a spicy potato taco like Taco Bell serves. I don't know about you, but when you're trying to do fast food and you're trying to avoid any animal products, Taco Bell can help you out. Like, you can order this without cheese, without their sauce. But today I bought it with their cheese, with their sauce, so I could open it up and imitate it. Come along. As always, I gather my ingredients first. Here's the way the Taco Bell spicy potato taco comes. As you can see, it's got sauce, which is not vegan. It's got cheese, which is not vegan, but I wanted to imitate it as closely as I could. These potatoes are cubed and fried. I'm going to be working with sliced potatoes. Here's a bad spot that I want to cut off. I'm using taco seasoning, and this is how I season them. And I'm going to only season one side. Spread out the seasoning. Preheat a griddle or skillet, spray it lightly, and now I am placing these potatoes unseasoned side down. When these have gotten fairly soft and slightly browned, I'll turn them and season the other side. While the potatoes are cooking, we can do a little bit of prep work. We need to make the sauce, and you will start with something creamy. You could use some silken tofu, vegan mayonnaise, or cashew cream. I'm going to use about a tablespoon of vegan mayonnaise, and then you can use either a sriracha, this one has chili sauce, or plain chili sauce. Both make a delicious sauce for this. Just stir it together. So there's our sauce for later. Now, instead of using vegan cheese, which you could, I'm actually using the grated carrot to give me the color of cheese. And this grater that I have makes it very, very fine. Here, I'll just hold some up for you. Time to flip the potatoes. I'm stacking them up right now because I want to spray the pan just a little bit more. Now you can turn them over. I'm bringing them close together, and now I'm adding seasoning to the other side. Just rub it in and continue cooking until these are getting tender. Spraying again lightly. The potatoes are almost finished. We want them to hold their shape, and I want to turn them over one more time and give them a couple more minutes. Now mash a few of these just slightly. This is just to help hold it together. They're kind of hot to hold. Stacking them up, and I'm putting my taco on there. Add a little bit of the sauce. Now put the mashed side down. That's going to help act like glue. Now you can just stack up the rest of these. I think that's a little more potato than I want, but I'm just going to stick it on there. Slide your tortilla over. Add your carrots instead of cheese. Put just a little more of the sauce. I like to fold this up a little bit to help hold my ingredients in when I go to eat it. Push it down a little bit, and now I want to grill this so it gets nice and toasty. It's time to turn it because that one side was cooking longer, and as you can see, it's picking up some of that taco seasoning that we had cooked with. Now it's time to finish this up. I'm adding the rest of the sauce and the lettuce. Now all you have to do is put it on a plate and eat it. Of course, this is much larger than the Taco Bell version. Here's a side-by-side comparison. Now for that taste test. This is pretty messy. This is so flavorful. You're gonna have to make it, and I know your friends and family will love it. Come see us next week for another wonderful recipe. And by the way, God loves you.